Welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. Hello beautiful bag lovers, it's Trina! Back to you with another bag related tag. This time around started from Flo in the city. Hey Flo, and she did a video about most sentimental bags. I might have mentioned this on my channel elsewhere at some point or another, but I'm not really that, well, I try not to be sentimentally attached to things. It's hard when they're much harder when they're given to you, but my bags, I wouldn't expect or want friends to give them to me or family. I buy them on my own basically, and I kind of like it that way. It's a lot easier to sell things when you're not using them anymore if you just bought them for your own thrill or need, most of the time thrill though. But there is one or two or maybe three bags that I do have a little bit of attachment to. It's pretty normal, I think. The first being this massive, totally GM from Louis Vuitton. This is my first ever designer bag, and actually it's the most I ever paid for a bag too, and it wasn't that expensive. I don't like paying a lot of money for stuff. I'm cheapy. But that said, compared to regular brands, of course this is a lot more expensive than I would have paid normally before I began this bag hag insanity. There's a lot of reasons I love this bag, especially as a tote bag and compared to all other tote bags. One is the capacity. Two, it looks great, matches everything. It's got side pockets. The handles are really uber long, and I like that. It fits comfortably on the shoulders. It's very durable. But mostly I think this has sentimental value to me because it was a big investment for me at the time, and I still consider it a big investment. I don't use it as much as I used to now because I'm in my car as opposed to on the train, so I don't need to shoulder things around as much for work, and that's predominantly what it is for. I know people use these types of things for the beach. No, I would never do that. But it's also really good for travel, although I do tend to use my duffel bag for travel, and if I need a tote bag for work-related stuff, I'll use my Le Pliage foldable tote because it's just foldable. This one takes up more space, of course. But yeah, I don't think I'll be getting rid of this soon. I am considering, however, dyeing the straps. I'm still thinking about it. We'll see how we go. Because my second bag of sentimental value is, of course, the Speedy, and that too is a favorite of mine because of the work I put into it and the pride I have of having done it. And I wear this one a lot more than the other one. Like the other one, I don't wear this one almost. I wouldn't say weekly because I'll put my stuff in a handbag and then I won't change it out for a while, but this is a staple. It was in the last tag, most used bag tag. Great little bag, Speedy, love it. And I'll give you one more for good measure. Good things happen in threes, they say. So this one here, kind of proud of this one too, simply because I was searching for one at a good price and I found it, and I'm very proud of how I managed to clean up the hardware and make it look pretty again. It still has some mustiness, it still has stains I couldn't get out, but it is gonna wear over time. It's kind of deflated in the structure, but I like this a lot. I'm attached to it, but for the right price, I will be willing to let go of this because I think the Speedy can be used instead. You don't need that many handbags, but I do love it very much and I'm proud of it. So that's it. Those are my 3 sentimental items from my handbag collection. Talk to you later. Bag Hag signing out. Mwah.